upimina nawe masibonana. Beba upimina nawe masitandana. Beba upimina nawe masibonana. Tamelam dini nubungoning tamelam dini. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the hottest songs on the streets right now. Rato Laka by Shebeshxt, Naqua, Nxumalo and Slidoo, I'm not sure. This track isn't just trending, it's a movement. From taxi runs to clubs, from TikTok challenges to radio airplay, Rato Laka has captured the heart of music lovers all across Mzansi, especially Likompo lovers. So let's break down why this song is making so much noise and why each of these artists deserves their flowers. So angisakhumbuli ukuthi nini kodwa nje sibone ngama-video ku-TikTok uNxumalo awathathe noShebeshxt noNaqua, and then that's when we knew it's okay, they probably working on something. Kanti vele besiqinisile bebasebenza kuRato Laka. So Rato Laka dropped and instantly became a street anthem. The title itself, Rato Laka, meaning my love, Standwa Sami, Moranziwa, carries that raw township energy mixed with modern flair. The production is infectious, the beat is designed for the dance floor, and the chemistry between all four artists is undeniable. This isn't just a collab, it's a perfect fusion of voices, styles, and personalities that represents the future of South African music. Kudu kudu likompo. Mo limoli rimoli kompo. So yep, Shebeshkt has been on fire lately, carving his own lane in the likompo and rap space. His delivery on Rato Laka, pure flames. He brings that raw street authenticity, the kind of energy that instantly connects with the youth. Shebeshkt is proof that when you stay true to your style, people will vibe with you. He's not just riding the wave, he's leading it. And of course, the queen herself, Nxumalo. Her voice on this track is absolutely beautiful, balancing the rawness of the guys with her silky smooth delivery. Z is known for her versatility, and here she proves it once again. She softens the track in the best way possible while still keeping it powerful. Her part is what makes Rato Laka unforgettable. Okay. Slidoo man, last but not definitely least, Slidoo man is the glue that ties everything together. His energy, his delivery, his style, it's like he came in and said, don't worry, I got this. Slidoo man has this ability to command attention, and on Rato Laka he brings that extra hit that keeps people pressing repeat. Now let's talk about the impact. Rato Laka is more than just a song. It's become part of the culture. You hear it blasting from taxis, you see people dancing to it on TikTok, and DJs can't resist spinning it in the clubs. You get me? It's one of those songs that unites people, whether you're chilling in the kasi, driving in the burbs, or turning up at a festival. That's the power of a true hit. It crosses boundaries. So big respect to Shebeshkt, Naqua, Nxumalo and Slidoo man for giving us this anthem. Rato Laka is proof that when talent comes together with passion, the streets will always respond. If you haven't streamed the song yet, what are you waiting for? Go support the artist, share the track and keep the movement alive. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more music content. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite part of Rato Laka? I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Mr. Anonymous for now, signing out.